Hi. Let's learn about logistics, what it means and how businesses use it. Logistics refers to the overall process of managing how resources are acquired, stored, and transported to their final destination. Logistics management involves identifying prospective distributors and suppliers and determining their effectiveness and accessibility. The term logistics initially referred to how military personnel obtained, stored, and moved equipment and supplies, but is now widely used in the business sector, particularly by companies in the manufacturing sectors, to refer to how resources are handled and moved along the supply chain. The goal of logistics management is to have the right amount of a resource or input at the right time, getting it to the appropriate location in proper condition, and delivering it to the correct internal or external customer. For example, in the natural gas industry, logistics involves managing the pipelines, trucks, storage facilities, and distribution centers that handle oil as it is transformed along the supply chain. An efficient supply chain and effective logistical procedures are essential to reduce costs and to maintain and increase efficiency. Poor logistics lead to untimely deliveries, failure to meet the needs of clientele, and ultimately cause the business to suffer. The tasks for which a logistician is responsible vary depending on the business. Primary responsibilities include overseeing and managing inventory by arranging for appropriate transportation and adequate storage for the inventory. Specialized training in supply chain management and logistics often includes core or elective courses, or even discrete programs of study, in business education. In business, logistics is the process of transporting and storing raw materials, finished goods, inventory, and other resources. It is typically made up of many components, including customer service, demand forecasting, warehousing, material handling, inventory control, order processing, and transportation. Logistics is critical to a company's bottom line. It enables the movement of materials or goods, the satisfaction of contracts, and the fulfillment of services. Effective logistics management ensures smooth movement along the supply chain and can provide a competitive advantage. Careers in logistics can include truck driver, customer service representative, dispatcher, freight agent, supply chain manager, transportation analyst, procurement manager, logistician, and operations manager, among others. A degree in logistics or business administration will be helpful for many roles in logistics, including logistician, a career that is expected to grow much faster than average. Here are 3 key takeaways. 1. Logistics is the overall process of managing how resources are acquired, stored, and transported to their final destination. 2. Poor logistics in a business can impact its bottom line. 3. Logistics is now used widely in the business sector, particularly by companies in the manufacturing sectors, to refer to how resources are handled and moved along the supply chain. Hope this would help. Thanks for watching.